Is your computer sometimes just sitting completely idle with nothing to do? Maybe you have a GPU or even a powerful CPU. Or maybe you just have some extra bandwidth on your Wi-Fi that isn't being used. Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use those things to earn passive income. Pretty much any component in your computer like your RAM, CPU, GPU, or even your idle Wi-Fi usage is going to help you earn some passive income. So the tool I'm going to be showing you guys is called Salad right here. I will leave my affiliate link in the description so that you can go ahead and get started and both you and I can get some bonus. So when you go over to the download page, you simply want to go ahead and click on download right here. So after it's been downloaded, you simply want to go through the download process and go ahead and complete all of these steps that it requires. It might ask you for some permissions, for example, for it to whitelist itself from the Windows Defender, and you simply want to go ahead and allow that. And in my opinion, this app is very easy to use compared to other miners such as NiceHash and some other operating systems that you're able to download. And those are only focused on mining, so they're only doing proof of work on cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum Classic. But Salad here is a lot more intuitive and it is very easy to get started, and it also does a lot of other things instead of just GPU mining. It can of course utilize your CPU to mine as well, but it also does things such as generating images and running or training AI models on your device. This in turn will help you see a little bit more profits because it's doing something else instead of just GPU mining. Here we are on my stats right here. You can see for the last 24 hours, I run it whenever I'm not using my computer, and it's definitely not a lot of money, but it is still pretty good in my opinion. Currently, I have a total balance of only $2.2, but if you do chop a lot more, you're going to get a lot more earnings. And by chopping, I obviously mean using your GPU or CPU to earn more. They kind of have this salad theme going, so you're called a chef and you're chopping, and yeah, it's just very salad and food themed. As you can see right here, I am currently working towards a PayPal balance here for $5. And they actually don't take a cut when you're just mining, but this is actually where the real cut comes from. To buy this $5 PayPal balance, you actually need to pay $6. I mean, just for this, they are taking a 16.5% cut of your earnings. But I guess that is to be expected because this has a very simple UI and it's just very easy to get started. You can also use this on multiple devices to earn as much as possible. So let's go ahead and jump into the app and let me show you the different features that it has and how you can maximize your earnings. But before that, let me go ahead and show you guys the Earn tab. If we actually go over to the store, it isn't just PayPal that you're able to get. You are actually able to get a lot of different things here as well. For example, you can get a prepaid MasterCard or something like that. If you want to buy something on Amazon, then you can go ahead and use that too. But in my opinion, I found this PayPal one the most important because you're able to convert that to pretty much anything. So you can buy almost any other thing here just by converting it to PayPal. And I guess the prepaid MasterCard is pretty much the same because you're pretty much able to use it anywhere. But if you do want something specific like Discord Nitro here, then that might be a good option to opt for. And there are just a bunch of games here like Lunar Client for Minecraft or Roblox gift cards as well. So yeah, now let's actually jump to the app and let me show you its different features. Okay, so when you have installed Salad, it will look like this. Currently, I have it paused. So here you'll be able to see currently what you're earning on the estimated for next 24 hours, but keep in mind that it does have to be going at that specific time for it to show. Right now I have it idle and that's why it's not showing anything. You can see how much you've made in the last 24 hours and what your current total balance is. In performance, you'll be able to see what's currently being used and what is going to help you earn the most possible. As you can see, I currently have some things running in the background. That is why it is taking up around 40% of my GPU. So in order to earn the most amount possible, you want to minimize your background tasks. And it will probably ask you this in the installation process, but if you haven't already, then go ahead and click here to whitelist Salad in your Windows Defender. This will stop it from causing any problems with the Windows Defender, which might stop it from running. Or it might work, but it might make you a lot less. So you just want to go ahead and click on this and go ahead and click yes on the admin panel. Disable sleep mode here is only important if you have some sort of setting that stops your computer from going to sleep. So you can go ahead and click on that for it to not do that. Otherwise, you won't be earning anything if the computer is in sleep mode. And auto start here is what determines how long your computer waits until it starts earning. So normally it's set to 5 minutes here, but I like to put it at 3 because after 3 minutes, then it will automatically start earning if your computer has been idle for that amount of time. And auto launch here, I recommend having that on because then you don't have to open it every time time you restart your computer. Update channel, you can just go ahead and leave that on latest instead of the beta to get the most stable performance. And the workload preferences right here, you want to go ahead and enable your CPU and your GPU. But I'm pretty sure the GPU is what's the most important because that's going to earn you the most. And you should obviously have elevated permissions enabled here. You can choose your own workload, but I found that letting Salad automatically select the best performance for my PC is what seems to be working the best. And on advanced right here, if you click on the bottom, you should enable both of these as well. And just so you know, this video isn't sponsored, but if you do want to use my affiliate link, then you're more than welcome to using the link in the description.